Why, after decades of democracy, are the prospects of a white child so much better than those of a black child?
Let me explain why.
The ANC has been in the government of South Africa for almost 30 years, 3 decades. It has done 4 things. It has collapsed security in South Africa, failed to improve the quality of public education in South Africa. It has collapsed public health in South Africa. It has brought South Africa to its knees when it comes to a basic thing that is called electricity.
Let us hear from more witnesses.
Everywhere a black person takes over an administration, a governance, a company, anything, you destroy.
Why do taps run dry?
Let me explain why.
We know there's broken infrastructure. We know there's bad governance in local areas. And we know the corruption at the local level.
Let us hear from more witnesses.
Yona eyinkinga kakhulu bamanzi hayi ngoba engekho amanzi akhona ayanyulwa because ufanele kuba amathenda ama-truck azofakela amanzi ngikhuluma nani nje nanegebengu ndini.
Water mafias are killing this country. Water mafias must be treated and be charged for treason.
Why do so many people live in abject poverty and so few live lives of opulence?
Let me explain why.
Sikhathele ukulona isitshela ukuthi niyathumana kusho ukuthi nithumanela khona ukuthi nihambe niyontshontsha ngenomunye baxakeke ngapha nimthathe niyomthuma ngapha ambiyontshontsa ngapha. What do you want to say, sir?
360 million rand on overtime for bodyguards of VIPs. Who are you afraid of? Who are you afraid of?
We are sick and tired indaba yokuthumana indaba yokuntshontsha lamasela lawo.
We must actually make the majority of black people aware that their resources are being stolen by the black middle class and the black millionaires who are connected to the ANC.
Ngoba kucaba abantu abayifew bese kuthi ekugcineni kusafarisha abantu.
Why do clinics run out of medicine?
Let me explain why.
It's because of political leaders who, whenever they're given a platform, they want to plant seeds of xenophobia everywhere they go. So whenever they fail to deliver on something, it's foreign nationals.
Let us look at the evidence.
Can we immediately stop to give illegal foreigners any medical help? They should be banned from all our hospitals.
Now clear.
Are you telling me if all foreign nationals were to leave this country, are all unemployed South Africans going to be employed? If all foreign nationals were to leave this country, is the health system going to improve in this country?
No! Why do women get paid less than men for the same work?
Let me explain why.
South Africa and then
Mina ngiyanyisa indaba yenu ukuze ngifika taphathi indungu nje benishaye nonke.
Mr. President, you are not an honorable man. Your presidency and leadership lack compassion.
Cyril Ramaphosa will go down in history as one of the most useless presidents.
Ziyakhala siku loudspeaker. Imfana.
Bonke abangamfollow uLazaro bawubhubha.